Hello everyone! Welcome to our new lesson. I hope you are all happy, excited, and ready for something new today called Taste Bottles Activity.
But before we begin, can you tell me something? Which sense will we use in this activity? And which organ do we use for tasting? Yes, good job! You got it right.
First, we have sweet. Think of golden honey or...
This one is sweet. It reminds me of delicious golden honey. Sweet.
That is sour, just like a yellow lemon. Can you say sour?
Then we have salty, like the spray of the ocean. And finally, bitter. This is a very strong taste, like a bitter gourd or dark cocoa. Our tongues are amazing tools. Next time you eat, see if you can find these flavors. Goodbye for now.